Okay, priming complete by DNSL Services. And this is prime paint tile baseboards and door casing. And what we got there is a bleed through. I couldn't even much explain why that is what it is, but it is what it is. So we're gonna let that dry, scrape it, and put another prime on it. And then that's it, done deal. And after that done, you put another drywall up. The wall is bad. And that's a new wall here. New drywall versus old drywall. And obviously it had a lot of action coming out of this wall here. We'll come back and take a gander at it and see how it comes in the end result. This is it for now. Priming by DNSL Services.